Plant FAQs, Begonia Ambassador Rose. Begonia Ambassador Rose, FAQs by Ferb Vu. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your burning questions about the Begonia Ambassador Rose. This vibrant annual flower is a favorite among gardeners for its resilience, compact size, and continuous blooms. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a budding enthusiast, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate a thriving Begonia Ambassador Rose. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia Ambassador Rose? The Begonia Ambassador Rose is a captivating member of the Begonia semperflorens cultorum family, also known as the green-leaf fibrous-rooted begonia or wax begonia. This sun-loving or partial shade enthusiast annual boasts rich green foliage and eye-catching rose-pink blooms with sunny yellow centers. How big does a Begonia Ambassador Rose get? Imagine a plant that stays delightfully compact, reaching a height of 6 to 8 inches and spreading to a width of 10 to 12 inches. That's the Begonia Ambassador Rose. Its manageable size makes it perfect for container plantings, hanging baskets, or adding pops of color to garden beds. When does the Begonia Ambassador Rose bloom? Get ready for a long-lasting floral display. The Begonia Ambassador Rose is a prolific bloomer, gracing your garden with its rose-colored charm from late spring all the way to late summer. How much sun does a Begonia Ambassador Rose need? The Begonia Ambassador Rose thrives in full sun locations. However, it can also tolerate partial shade, making it adaptable to various garden settings. If you live in a particularly hot climate, consider providing some afternoon shade to prevent the blooms from scorching. How do I water a Begonia Ambassador Rose? The Begonia Ambassador Rose prefers consistent moisture but doesn't appreciate soggy soil. Aim for medium watering, allowing the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. How do I fertilize a Begonia Ambassador Rose? To keep your Begonia Ambassador Rose blooming abundantly, fertilize it every 2 weeks with a balanced fertilizer diluted according to the product's instructions. Is the Begonia Ambassador Rose easy to care for? Absolutely. The Begonia Ambassador Rose is a low-maintenance plant, making it ideal for beginners. With consistent watering, occasional fertilization, and well-draining soil, this delightful begonia will reward you with a stunning floral display throughout the season. What are some common pests and diseases that affect the Begonia Ambassador Rose? While generally disease-resistant, begonias can occasionally be susceptible to powdery mildew, especially in humid conditions. Ensure good air circulation around your plants, and if necessary, use a fungicide specifically formulated for begonias. Aphids and whiteflies are also potential pests. Regularly inspect your plants and use insecticidal soap or neem oil to control them if needed. Can I grow a Begonia Ambassador Rose indoors? Yes, you can. The Begonia Ambassador Rose can brighten your indoor space as long as it receives sufficient sunlight. Place it near a south-facing window for optimal growth. Be mindful of drafts and maintain consistent moisture in the soil. How do I overwinter a Begonia Ambassador Rose? Since the Begonia Ambassador Rose is an annual, it won't survive freezing temperatures. However, you can enjoy its beauty throughout the growing season and start fresh with new plants next year. What are some good companion plants for the Begonia Ambassador Rose? For a captivating combination, consider pairing your Begonia Ambassador Rose with other sun-loving annuals like marigolds, petunias, or impatiens. Low-growing greenery like sweet potato vine or trailing verbena can also add visual interest to container plantings. Begonia Ambassador Rose versus Dragon Wing Begonia. Both the Begonia Ambassador Rose and the Dragon Wing Begonia are popular choices for gardeners. Here's a quick comparison. Size. Begonia Ambassador Rose. Compact, 6 to 8 inches tall. Dragon Wing Begonia. Larger, trailing, or cascading habit, up to 24 inches long. Blooms. Begonia Ambassador Rose. Rose pink with yellow centers. Dragon Wing Begonia. Available in a wider range of colors, including red, pink, white, and orange. Habit. Begonia Ambassador Rose. Mounding. Dragon Wing Begonia. Trailing or cascading. Sun needs. Both prefer full sun to partial shade. In conclusion, the Begonia Ambassador Rose is a charming and easy-to-care-for annual that injects vibrant color into your garden. With its compact size, continuous blooms, and adaptability to various light conditions, This begonia is a wonderful choice for gardeners of all levels. So, if you're searching for a low-maintenance bloomer that thrives with minimal fuss, the Begonia Ambassador Rose is a perfect candidate for your container, hanging basket, or garden bed. It guarantees a touch of elegance and continuous floral cheer throughout the warm season. With a little TLC, this begonia will become a cherished addition to your summer garden symphony.